Realme is gearing up to expand its Realme 14 series with a new edition soon. Dubbed the Realme 14 5G, the device has already surfaced in a few certification listings, and a recent leak also spilled the beans on some of its key specifications. The Realme 14 5G will come with a mecha design, which will be a stunning blend of futuristic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. The image shared by Realme reveals the smartphone will have a dual camera setup on the rear, with the primary camera using a 50MP sensor and 16MP front-facing shooter. Realme has confirmed that the Realme 14 5G will be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, making it the world's first phone to feature this SoC. Realme 14 5G has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The device is backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery. The Realme 14 5G's launch date should be announced in the next few days. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.